ZigZagZone. We're in the zone.
Hi, friends. Today, we're going to learn about some yummy fruits. Let's get started. Apple, apple. This is an apple. Can you say apple? Great job. Banana, banana. This is a banana. Can you say banana? Awesome. Watermelon, watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. Can you say watermelon? Great. Orange, orange. This is an orange. Can you say orange? Fantastic. Strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry. This is a strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Strawberry? So good. Mango, mango. This is a mango. Can you say mango? Awesome. Coconut, coconut. This is a coconut. Can you say coconut? Wonderful. Grapes, grapes. These are grapes. Can you say grapes? Wonderful. Pineapple, pineapple. This is a pineapple. Can you say pineapple? Excellent. Pear, pear. This is a pear. Can you say pear? Excellent. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Can you say pomegranate? Great. Cherry. This is a cherry. Can you say cherry? Fantastic. Blackberry. This is a blackberry. Can you say blackberry? Perfect. Apricot. This is an apricot. Can you say apricot? Excellent. Fig. Fig. This is a figure. Can you say fig? Fantastic. Dragon fruit. Dragonfruit. This is a dragon fruit. Can you say dragon fruit? Great job. Peach. Peach. This is a peach. Can you say peach? Great job.